Friends, be honest. When you look at someone's arms, where do your eyes go first? Straight to the biceps. And if the biceps are big, pumped, and have that peak shape, the entire personality looks next level. But the problem is, most people think you need dumbbells or gym machines to build biceps. The truth is, just one bodyweight exercise, chin-ups, can make your biceps so solid that your arms automatically look impressive. Today I'll show you the correct way to do chin-ups, the variations, the progressions, and the secrets that will give your biceps amazing growth using only your body weight. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you find it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. First, grab a strong bar or rod. Keep an underhand grip, palms facing you, slightly inside shoulder width. Keep your body completely straight and your arms fully stretched. Now slowly pull yourself up until your chin is above the bar. At the top, squeeze your biceps. Lower yourself back down slowly, taking a full stretch. Remember, don't use momentum. Pull in a controlled way. Always use the full range of motion. Beginners, assisted chin-ups using a chair or resistance band. Intermediate, normal chin-ups with full range of motion. Advanced, weighted chin-ups using a waist belt or backpack. They target your biceps long head and brachialis muscles. Arms look thicker and fuller. At the same time, your back and forearms also get stronger. No machines needed, just a bar is enough. So friends, this was your complete guide on chin-ups. One bodyweight exercise that builds peak-shaped biceps and solid strength. Add it to your workout 2 to 3 times a week and stay consistent. In just a few weeks, your arms will start to look completely different. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you get more effective home workout tips every day.